Well, here in Wales, the immersion education method is the main method for creating new Welsh speakers. In Wales, we have two main types of immersion education: early immersion and late immersion. Early immersion is the experience that learners receive in Welsh medium preschool settings and Welsh medium schools up until the age of 7, the end of what is currently known as the foundation phase. Welsh is the only language introduced and used during this period, with English usually introduced around the transition between year 2 and year 3, or infants to juniors in old money. Children from non-Welsh speaking backgrounds who are being immersed in Welsh usually share the same classroom and the same experiences as those who are from Welsh speaking backgrounds. Late immersion, on the other hand, that's for pupils who join Welsh medium settings after the age of 7. For example, their family may have moved to an area where Welsh medium education is the norm, or they may be choosing to join a Welsh medium secondary school, having attended an English medium primary school.